Hello out there, welcome to this tutorial on commercial arithmetic. In this video, we'll be looking at inflation. We have the first problem here. In a certain year, a mobile phone cost 50,000 naira. If the annual rate of inflation is 20%, what will be the cost of the mobile phone at the end of 2 years? In our solution to the problem, we have two options to solve this. The first one is to calculate the price at the end of each year. The cost of the mobile phone at the end of the first year will be, since inflation is persistent increase in the prices of goods and services, and this is by 20%. It means with the original price being 100%, there's going to be an increment of 20%, so that the new price now will be 120%, and 120% will be multiplied by the original price of the phone, so that 120% as decimal will be 1.20, then multiply by 50,000. Simplifying this from our calculator, we have the price at the end of the first year to be 60,000 naira. Then at the end of the second year, it is still going to be 120% of the price at the end of the first year. So that we now have it as 1.20 multiplied by 60,000. Simplifying this with our calculator, we have the price at the end of the second year to be 72,000 naira. And that's all for the first method. Then the alternative method is to use a formula. So we go straight to calculate the cost of the mobile phone at the end of 2 years. So we are going to have it as 120%, that is 1.20 raised to power 2. Raised to power 2 in the sense that the rate of inflation is covering for 2 years, then multiply by the original cost of the phone. So at that point, we input this in our calculator. We're going to have it as 72,000 naira. And that's all for the two methods of solving this problem. We then go to problem 2. For problem 2, a refrigerator costs $2,000. In the first year, the rate of inflation is 10%. In the subsequent years, the annual rate of inflation is 12%. Calculate the cost of the refrigerator after 4 years. This is a combination of the two methods, so that in our solution we have to calculate the cost of the refrigerator in the first year, then the subsequent years. So the cost of the refrigerator at the end of the first year will be 110% of the initial cost of the refrigerator. So as decimal, we are going to have it as 1.10, then multiply by 2,000. And this will give us $2,200. We can then use the second method, since the rate of inflation is constant from the second year, third year, and the fourth year, so that the cost at the end of the fourth year will be 1.12, that is 100 plus 12, and in decimal it will give us 1.12. Since we are left with 3 years out of the 4 years, it is going to be raised to power 3, then multiply by the cost at the end of the first year, which is 2,200. Imputing this in our calculator, we have the cost of the refrigerator after 4 years of inflation to be $3,090.84. And that's all for the solution of problem 2, and this is the highest we can take in this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Please like and share this video. Also remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until we come your way again, goodbye.